We are meant to feel this divine pleasure and ecstasy within us 24/7. And that is what we remember. And because we've been suppressed from that divine pleasure for so long, we accepted pain as part of being human. The few times that we get so close to something divine, it feels so good, it's almost unbearable. We have to pull back. So train yourself. Allow yourself to become light at your own pace. Every time you do it, you'll be able to hold more and you will feel good staying in that divinity for longer and longer and longer until you become the embodiment of the divine in this world. One realization that I had this week was that I know a lot of healers. I do summits, I interview a lot of healers. I have many that have offered to work on me. And there are but 3 people that I allowed to touch my energy. And I was asking myself why. It wasn't coming from a place of superiority. I just didn't feel that they had something that I needed at that time. What I realized last week is that we are awakening to our abilities, but as we do different meditations and we try different techniques, we go into ether. That doesn't mean the source. We can end up in different places, traveling and being hijacked and channel things that are not divine. So you want to always listen to your body. Your body will tell you, this is the session for me, this is the person for me, this is not for me. Listen to that. You will know. The fact that you showed up here today, that means you're ready for this. So the realization is, be very discerning or who you're learning from and what you allow in. Listen to your body. Always listen to your body. I am simply painting the highway for you to find your way to your own divinity. And no healer in the world can do that for you. You have that power. And it's very exciting. That means you don't have to go around and look for the next hack, for the next thing, for the next way. Simply stay the track and find your channel and connection to your divinity, and you'll never need another human to distract you and guide you the wrong way. Do you all feel that opening? We're trained to compromise and to say no to ourselves and things as part of being good humans. Instead, we need to expand. So anytime something doesn't fit in, don't become smaller. Move to a different location and expand even bigger. Yeah. Be expansive and infinite, and you will feel good every time. We are truly in a possession of the biggest technology, and we are more important than we think. And that is why so many beings are coming here to study us. They're coming to this planet because we are the only species that with emotions are able to create heaven on earth. And with the same emotions, we're able to distract it. So let's create and light up the road for others to follow and leave those divine breadcrumbs everywhere we go.